You shitbox R junkies and enthusiasts to another riveting episode of The Art of Shitbox Rs, or The Art of Volvos, whichever you prefer at this point. Volvo's back in the shop. No surprise. We actually have a lot to do on this thing. I think the track day was a bit more aggressive than I thought. After fixing the Volvo angle gear last time, I had all-wheel drive for all of like a month and a half, I think, and then the pump gave out. Shock, right? I know. The one thing that I couldn't maintenance and get to, change a filter on, finally gave out. So today I am hoping that I too can use an M8 bolt from the back again, but with a sliver of some kind of little dowel that I'm going to stick in there, use something, because there's no way you're going to screw one of these in all the way. The holes back there are about as rusty as everyone reports. So if I can get the drive shaft off, I can actually put on my new Haldex pump. And I will also then try and put on the other Haldex controller that supposedly will change the feel of the car. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing apart everything, and we're gonna try and get through this as quickly as we can today. Hopefully, if I'm lucky, I get most of it done. Who knows? Probably not. We know how this goes. Isn't that off? A little on the low side. Running a sidewall bigger than recommended tends to polish some things. That's what happens when you use janky ass aftermarket bolts. Little clamps once in a while. Might be a little bit more to fix. Turns out one of my dope little exhaust hangers decided to finally take a shit and shear. Granted, these were probably not the best size hangers to use. They definitely need a lot of reinforcement, so hopefully I have some still laying around and I can reinforce this one and give it a bit more help out. God, I absolutely love these Haldex pumps and controllers. Crap, Wisconsin. Okay. That should give. Okay. So the one threaded hole I do see is right here. And I tried this last time, but I couldn't get, supposedly, I can use one of these. I made 125s, shove it in there. I need a dowel, a little pin in there too, which I'm gonna make in a second. Okay. Okay. On the bright side, it does fit, and it's going in there. Clean those threads up maybe a little bit. Now I got a flanged head bolt because it just makes it a little easier to grip onto something like this. And it comes in a 10, so might even be able to just get this around it. So let's try this again. See if we can clean some thread up first. Very smoothly so far, so I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think it's gonna make it all the way. Very small sliver of this right here. This little guy right here should fit perfectly. So do bleed. I'm open this. I'm really hoping this works. It looks like it cleaned up a good amount of thread in there. Oh, that went in there for a while too. So we got it in a good amount. It is yay long. I should be able to use a piece. Okay, so it's that long. I'm thinking we got it in like pretty far, right? We got it in like halfway through this bolt. We could probably cut it around here. It should be enough of a dowel to get it going. There's an easy way to cut this. Oh. Okay. I would not be surprised if it was the latter. Big set. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Positive reinforcement. This will work. It better fucking work. Fuck. Starts threading, so that's good. Oh, holy shit, I got it out. Fuck yeah. All right, dope. So just, cool. This will probably be a massive pain in the ass now. Lovely. All right, well. Yay. I don't have to take it off. There's my purse, there's my purse. My fluid! I don't know which fluid that is though. Fuck! Looks like the Haldex fluid actually. Very much looks like Haldex fluid. Holy crap. Onto the filter and lay pump. Oh fuck, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, we're gonna, fuck. Oh, okay. This one did come out okay, so that's good. If I'm lucky, I can get the second one to come out okay too. Oh, here's a long one. Okay. If I'm lucky, this works out. If I'm not, I'm boned, as always. Oh, all right, good stuff. Just gotta remind myself to really hammer in these Allen heads instead before trying to yank them out. Little more Haldex fluid there. Yeah, oh yeah. No, that thing is done though. Nice. Okay. Got a cooler on it, the back of it. That's interesting. Nice revision. Pop it right in. Got the seal on there and everything. Man. There we go. FCP Euro, come to the rescue. I highly recommend that if you are keeping one of these alive, while Rock Auto is a fantastic choice, FCP Euro, lifetime warranties all the shit they sell you. Let me assure you, European cars, you're gonna need it. You're gonna need it, you know? All of them. Just meticulous little time bombs are gonna go off on you. All right, so, new pump. Beautiful, beautiful. What else we got? We got a pair of new bolts too. Fantastic. And a new nut, which torque specification I haven't included that I need yet, but hey, can do it. All right. Holy shit, a new pump. New pump in. Cross my fingers, hoping it actually solves all my problems. And a new filter. And then, really, the other module I feel like it won't, but I can hope. I can have hopes and dreams. What it might be. There we go. Okay. beer can. We're gonna keep this in here as a little tool, just in case one day. Okay, back on you go. You went right on there. You are a champ. Okay. You know, I'm gonna go with an Ugga Dugga from my Impact was probably fine. There's no good way for me to hold this without getting some kind of apparatus that I don't have and I don't care to buy. Hook, thumb. Okay, that's one. And in we go. Here. Alrighty, we're gonna find out if the Haldex Pump code comes back on or not. Which, I don't even have my goddamn computer with me to scan, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh, someone's got some all-wheel drive again. Alright, let's see if we can get the other module working now. Okay. Alright. So, we have the working module. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, it's in there. Well, hello, kitty. Are you curious? I have a friend now. Okay. So, supposedly gonna work. Alright. So, this is one of the supposed plausible upgraded Simon's Videos Haldexes. Last one I tried, no bueno. This one, can't even return, because it's been too long. But, this number here comes up on a list of usable ones. Hopefully it'll work. Not shitty, but at least I still have all-wheel drive. Hi, hello, cat. What should I call you? Mew. Mew. Yes, hello. On. Very curious. So curious. Alright. Anti-skip service required. Well, that was quick. That means all brake failure, stop safely. Yep. Check engine ABS. Yep, there it goes. Alright, well, this module is not gonna work with this car. Fuck. Alright, there we go. Ye old shitbox R is back in action. All-wheel drive works, brakes are done, front hub bearings replaced. They were actually really bad, and that one set of brake pads was really, really bad. Which makes me think I have a sticky caliper on the front left, but it could have just been from that time at the Milwaukee Mile. Who knows? Didn't get around to doing the emissions or the radiator hoses. I'm gonna save that. I have some other stuff I'm probably gonna do later, but I do need to do the emissions valve sometime this week, because this car is not actually legally registered right now because I never got it through emissions because of that fucking emissions evap valve. So, next time around, we do an emissions evap valve up front, and I'm actually gonna smoke the evap systems. I think there's probably a leak in one of the hoses in there. It'll be nice to finally have some all-wheel drive in this thing, not just torque steer like crazy again. Alright, if you've enjoyed seeing how that's done, click like and subscribe. Stay tuned for an evap purge valve replacement and some other crap maybe.